In this video, you'll learn how to assemble and pack out the ThermoSafe ChillTherm1313 pallet shipper. The 1313 is simple to assemble and provides effective temperature control of your pharmaceutical product for up to 120 hours. The kits will arrive shrink-wrapped like this, so you can store them efficiently on your racking if they are not needed immediately. Safely unpack all of the components and set them to one side until you are left with the grey base, which is attached to the pallet. You can now load your product directly onto the base. The 1313 will take a full Euro pallet of product, including the pallet itself. Make sure your pallet of product is placed inside the guides on the base so it won't interfere with assembly. Once your product is loaded, you can now start to build the shipper around the payload. Insert the back hinge in a wall, ensuring it is placed into the channel on the base, and then insert the front wall in the same way. Now, take the grey inner lid and place on top of the inner walls. Next, take your pre-conditioned Meditrays and slot them into all four sides using the locating guides. Make sure you refer to the appropriate packing list to ensure you follow the correct layout of Meditrays. It's worth noting that there is no need to bench condition the frozen Meditrays. The 1313 is designed so that you can pack straight from the freezer, saving space and your packer's time. Now, take a moment to walk around the shipper to ensure all the packs are in place and in the correct position. This is a good opportunity to make a final check to avoid costly pack-out errors and excursions. Next, add the outer grey walls, ensuring there is good contact between the front and back sections. Lastly, place the outer grey lid on top. Strap the package 6 times as shown. There are markings on the outer walls to guide you. You are now ready to ship.